Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan from the IELTS Online once again, and hope everybody is doing pretty well. Most of my students generally think that the IELTS, ITEP or PTE test are just the test, they are just testing your language, English language skills. Somewhat they are right, but they are not only testing your English language skills, students, they are testing your English language proficiencies. Actually, they are trying to test that how much grip you are having over different skills, which is of reading, writing, listening and speaking. Okay, so you need to be quite prepared for this, and you need to follow the certain rules, and all these many of these rules I have already discussed in my previous videos, right? So you need to be quite proficient in grammar, you need to be quite proficient especially in vocabularies, in sentences, okay, in the delivery of the sentences while speaking. Okay, so all these things are usually checked, right? And because why I'm speaking this, because if we talk about in terms of the IELTS test, so they have increased their fees a lot. It is crossing most probably 66,000 above, right? PKR, right? So you need to be quite prepared. So once you are taking the test, is no doubt quite expensive, so you have to be quite prepared, you have to be very prepared before the test, and you need to take certain mock tests. You need to ask your trainer to take test as many times as possible in order to reach that proficiencies level. So if you are looking forward for the academics, obviously it is quite difficult, and somewhat the general IELTS is a little bit easier than the academic, but it is also quite a difficult task. Without the prior training, without the prior preparation, you may not be able to get through the examinations of the IELTS or ITEP or PT, right? So you need to be very much prepared for this, right? So this is a misconception usually by the students. Many of my students comes before 1 or 1.5 months of their actual test after the booking. So it is strongly recommended that do not take admission anywhere after you have registered for your IELTS. You need to have minimum 3.5 months in your hand in order to go for the IELTS test. Okay, so come over here and take the IELTS training properly with your IELTS trainer, okay, and get yourself ready and prepared, fully prepared for your test, and then register your examinations. Okay, so it is strongly recommended. Do not make any haste. Do not go you can say hurry up for your registration. It may cost you a lot of problem, and it may cost you a lot of loss of money as well, right? So see you with my next video.